Hey guys, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at a 2011 Ford F450 tire service truck. It's an FEC brand bed. Bed's in excellent condition. It does have a PTO driven hydraulic air compressor mounted behind the driver's side underneath the service body in that first compartment. It has compartment lights, work lights, everything on it works as it should. It has just over 198,000 miles. I'm going to go around and show the condition of the vehicle, point out any cosmetic imperfections or anything you might want to see if you're here looking at it yourself. And then towards the end of the video, we'll do a full demonstration on the equipment. So if that's what you're looking for, you can skip ahead to that. If you have any questions, you can call or text 804-716-8487 anytime. That is a cell, so feel free to call that or text that, whichever you prefer. Do have cruise control, 198, 680 on the miles, aftermarket radio, interior's in good condition, no rips or tears on the seats. Here's your controller. For the compressor and the emergency lights, the work lights, compartment lights, all those switches are wired to the lights on the truck and all the lights are working. You have work light here, one on the other side, compartment lights in every compartment, and then some of these exterior lighting as well. Here's your compressor. This truck came to us out of Denver, Colorado. So it is extremely clean underneath, dry, no rust really of any sort to be concerned about. A little bit of oxidation there on the exhaust components, pretty normal, but frame rails and undercarriage are very clean. Great tread on the tires on both sides. You have some just little dings and scratches kind of along the back of the bed here. I mean, nothing too major, but worth pointing out anyway. And again, later on in the video, I'll have the truck running. I'll actually put in the cold start there. The liftgate obviously is operational, and I'll show you all the compartment lights working. Air regulator there, your hose reels, and again just some chips and scratches along the back of the service body here. Other than that, really down both sides of the higher sides is very clean. Just towards the back you get some of those rock chips and whatnot. That latch needs to be adjusted. All right, I'm going to get into the cold start and then the operation of all the equipment. Again, if you have any questions, my number is 804-716-8487, and I appreciate you watching this video. Work lights are also hooked up to that switch. The emergency strobe, work lights on both sides. Apartment lighting.